In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted records in Salesforce. To get started, open Salesforce and log into your account. Once you're in, head to the App Launcher, which is the grid icon typically found in the upper left area of the screen. The App Launcher is where you can quickly find tools, apps, and pages across Salesforce, so it's the fastest way to get where we need to go. After you click the App Launcher, type Recycle Bin into the search bar and select it from the results. This is the area where deleted records are temporarily stored before they're permanently removed, which makes it the go-to place when you need to recover something that was deleted by mistake. When the Recycle Bin opens, you'll see different viewing options. Choose My Recycle Bin if you only want to see records that you personally deleted. If your Salesforce permissions allow it, you may also see Org Recycle Bin. That option lets you view records deleted by all users in the organization. This is especially helpful if a teammate deleted a record and you need to bring it back. Next, locate the record you want to restore. Depending on how many deleted items appear in the list, you may need to scan through the entries carefully. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct record, since many records can have similar names or details. Once you find it, click the checkbox next to that record, then click Restore. Salesforce will begin the recovery process and return the deleted record to its original object, as long as it's still available in the recycle bin and eligible to be restored. Now give Salesforce a moment to confirm the restoration. In most cases, this happens quickly, but it's still a good idea to wait for the confirmation so you know the action completed successfully. After that, navigate to the relevant object where the record originally belonged. For example, if you restored a customer account, go to Accounts. If it was a deleted person record, check Contacts. If it was tied to a sales deal, go to Opportunities. Verifying the record in its original location is an important final step because it confirms that the restore worked exactly as expected. If you don't see the record right away, try refreshing the page and checking again. That can help if the update takes a moment to appear. And that's all it takes to restore deleted records in Salesforce using the Recycle Bin. Once you know where to look, recovering deleted records is a simple process that can save time and prevent unnecessary rework.